So you have decided to embark on a profitable journey into the world of affiliate marketing. That is fantastic. If you're just getting started, you might be wondering what kinds of affiliate marketing programs you could use to make some serious cash. Perhaps you want to diversify your income for a content site that makes money through display advertising, or you want to monetize your blogging content. Chances are, no matter what industry or niche you choose, there is an affiliate platform that will meet your requirements. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Today, we will be talking about how you can earn up to $250 with affiliate marketing. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. If you're still trying to figure out what affiliate marketing is, it is best to start at the beginning. Simply put, affiliate marketing is when you sign up with a company or a network. A network is a company that houses multiple offers from various businesses to sell their products or services. You typically earn a commission whenever someone purchases something or performs a desired action. These desired actions could include someone clicking on the link in your blog to buy a product on Amazon, or completing an offer from one of the affiliate networks discussed in this guide. You are then compensated when the traffic you directed to the retailer's offer completes the desired action. This money is typically included in the company's or affiliate program's online marketing budget. Amazon Affiliate and AdSense are two of the most popular business models for these programs today. Before you get carried away with picking the best affiliate model for you, it is best to know exactly what niche you want to focus on. Knowing what you want to specialize in will help you chart a course for selecting the program that will provide you with the highest return on investment, ROI, based on your business objectives. Before venturing into uncharted territory for the first time, check to see if other affiliate marketers and bloggers have discovered potential in the same niche. To gauge market demand, look into whether other WordPress and beginner SEO sites in your niche are promoting affiliate products. If there are other affiliates, it is usually a good sign because you know they would not bother if there was no potential for revenue growth. You can also save their affiliate partner offers in a spreadsheet to use later when you begin ranking your own site. When deciding on a best affiliate program to begin with, there are several factors to consider. You should investigate each program's offer, the niches it serves, and the quality of both digital and physical products it provides. You should consider whether you want to devote time and effort to promote these products on your website and through social media. Another factor to consider when deciding on the best affiliate program for those just starting is the ease of use. Read reviews on how other affiliates like the dashboards of the programs, how much support they provide to their affiliates, and what software as a service or SaaS tools they provide for those who do not have a background in technology or web development. If you are unfamiliar with building a WordPress website, email marketing, creating lead pages, or even using plugins, you should look for a solution that can handle this for you. Consider only programs that make joining their network advantageous to both them and you. If you notice affiliates complaining about lack of real-time support or how difficult it was to join from the beginning, you should look into another program. The affiliate marketing program you choose should also have a detailed payout structure for its affiliates that is clearly written. If you read reviews about affiliate commissions not being paid on time, payouts not being processed, problems with PayPal payments, or anything else related to this, you'll probably be better off going with a network that actually pays you for your efforts. Now let us talk about some of the best affiliate programs that you can try if you're only beginning. While you may just be getting started, if you've done any research on affiliate programs for beginners, you've probably heard of the Amazon Associates program. When it comes to making money through this monetization method, the Amazon Affiliate program is a leader. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of tutorials and courses available on how to use this network to earn a living. It is no surprise that the program ranked first on our list based on its popularity. However, there are a few things to keep in mind when using this program. Amazon is a retailer, not an affiliate network. The majority of the other programs on this list are affiliate networks, which simply manage the relationship between you and the actual company with the affiliate offer. Aside from the program's popularity, you may be wondering about the advantages of utilizing this affiliate program in your business. The fact that this affiliate program is the world's largest and oldest says a lot. Because Amazon has created such a well-known affiliate program, you can be confident that you have a solid foundation to build on. When reading Amazon affiliate program reviews, you will undoubtedly notice the recent update to the program's commission structures. While this did cause some businesses that relied solely on this income source to suffer, those that had diversified their revenue streams were less affected. The best thing about this program is that it always pays you on time, usually 30 days after the purchase. It's also worth noting how simple this program is to use. It is ideal for those who want to get started quickly because it's one of the easiest programs to navigate and integrate into an existing business. Whatever niche you happen to be interested in, the variety of products available through the Amazon program is unrivaled. With so many different products to choose from, the Amazon affiliate program is undoubtedly a top contender for beginners, and you have the option to change links to higher paying offers once you start ranking. Junction is a massive affiliate network that collaborates with businesses and promotes products all over the world. With over 20 years of experience in the affiliate space, it has a track record of being a great option for those just starting out. This affiliate program is excellent if you're just starting out because it has been around for a while and provides a solid foundation to build on. With so many brands and companies to connect with and begin marketing products in your niche, you should definitely think about joining this network if it fits your business goals. Impacts is another great affiliate program to consider when starting out in affiliate marketing because it leads the way in dashboard functionality and user interface. This program is ideal for those looking for more performance metrics to help guide business decisions. It has an easy-to-use interface and provides detailed performance tracking and reporting. With over 1,000 brands in a wide range of niches, this affiliate program will undoubtedly have something to offer your target market. It is no surprise that this program has a reputation for having one of the best user interfaces and reporting dashboards. Impact's customer service is also well known for being excellent for both new and experienced affiliates due to the assistance it provides to everyone in its program. Your support requests are accompanied by useful information and detailed how-to articles, giving you the impression that the program genuinely cares about your success. Other factors that set Impact apart from the competition include the fact that many brands will accept you into their program quickly. This could be due in part to the fact that this program is a little more difficult to get into at first, so let's go over some of the anchors that could hold you back within this program. You should have a better understanding of how these programs differ from one another depending on which programs best match your business goals and desired niche. Many affiliate site owners never consider how they can diversify their affiliate income outside of the network in which they are currently involved. When you diversify your affiliate offers, you help your business stay afloat if any of your other affiliate income suffers a setback. Once you have generated a decent amount of traffic and revenue across multiple affiliate offers, you've given interested buyers a more valuable business which can command a higher sale price. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.